Welcome to Roundstone Car Sales, a family-run business since the 70s. We give you 12 months warranty plus a 12-month MOT. And all our cars come serviced. We are also trading standards approved, and all cars come HPI checked. Plus, we check all our cars for manufacturers' recalls, and unlike some of our competitors, we never charge admin fees. So, call Jeff and Adrian on 01903776266 and book your test drive today. Here we have a 2017 Ford B-Max Navigator TDCI. This comes with only 9,734 miles and has service history and both keys. It has sat-nav with DAB audio media system, and Bluetooth and air conditioning, and easy access for rear passengers with its rear sliding doors. This has some great safety features such as ISO fixing points and ABS braking and multiple airbags plus child locks. These are just some of the specification, so why not come along and take a look around today.